Intermittent fasting. Let us talk about it. Since early 80s to about late 2000s, nutritionists and trainers believed meal frequency and meal timing affected fat loss or fat gain. They were wrong. As long as you control how many calories and macronutrients you're consuming throughout the day, it does not matter how you distribute them. When you look at the pyramid of hierarchy of importance by Eric Helms, you're going to see that nutrients timing is not among the basics. It is up there close to supplements. Even though intermittent fasting will not cause fat loss by itself, it can make fat loss way easier for you. I came across intermittent fasting in 2016. Radu Antonio was promoting it and it changed my life. So what is it? It simply means alternating periods of fasting with periods of feeding. I have 6 benefits of intermittent fasting for fat loss I learned from Radu. Number 1, it helps you control hunger. It is very interesting, but if you practice intermittent fasting for a period of time, you will get to a level where you can control hunger during those periods you're fasting. In my case, I skip breakfast, and that helps me blunt my appetite during that period. I no longer feel hunger in the morning. Benefit number 2 is intermittent fasting makes it harder to overeat. Let us say, for example, you are fasting for 16 hours and you're going to eat for only 8 hours. It is very hard for you to eat excess calories within that small window of 8 hours. Benefit number 3 is intermittent fasting gives you an opportunity to eat bigger and satisfying meals. Since your feeding window is small, it means you are able to have big filling meals and still be in a deficit. Benefit number 4 is intermittent fasting allows you to spend less time preparing and cooking food. This is very important because you can be more productive with your time and focus on more important things. Benefit number 5 is intermittent fasting allows you to eat out. Yes, I understand. You want to lose fat. You want to be in the best shape of your life. But remember, you have only one life and you must live. Once in a while, your friends will want you to go out with them and have some fun. Since you have a big caloric budget that you've not touched yet, you can go out with your friends, eat out, have fun, and still be in a deficit. Why? Because of intermittent fasting. Number 6 benefit of intermittent fasting is it eliminates the needs of cheat meals. Since you have a big caloric budget, for a very small feeding window, it means you can make your meals as big as you want and still be in a deficit. This means you will not need a cheat meal because every day will feel like you're cheating and you're not cheating.